I love how y'all do hard work to rock and roll. While Carl watches. Man, that's a lot of earth to move. That's a crazy amount. Are you guys getting hungry? It's almost ready. It's tantalizingly close. Yeah.
Guess what? I did track.
You did?
How was it?
Did you love it?
I got first place on some of them, second place, and then fourth place.
Go girl.
Because like, I ran like, some of them I had to run one lap.
Oh, there, let's film your worm. Tell me about your worm.
Oh, my worms are so cute.
Do they have a name?
Yeah, one of them is named Pickles.
Oh, well, cool.
I
Yeah.
found Pickles from when I was 4 years old, and then it's a she, and it had a baby
Oh,
in
okay.
here, and it
That's
has a
awesome.
baby in here,
Oh.
and she